everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to do my Clionadh Cosmetics mystery box unboxing. I got the bigger one because there was a shade. It said that you would get a shade that hasn't been released yet, but is going to come out soon. So let's do this. I am excited because I absolutely love Clionadh. I have looked. I'm not going to even try to say I haven't looked because I came in a few days ago. I had a really busy weekend, so I didn't really get to film it, but I wanted to look. So I did, and I had one shade that was a repeat, and I'll talk about that in a second. But I was really excited. Come with this temporary tattoo and the sticker. So cute. And then the formula application guide for the stained glass collection. And now let's jump into it. I don't remember the shades exactly, so it's still kind of a mystery, but I'm really excited about this. Oh yeah, I really have the worst time trying with my memory sometimes, so I've forgotten a good bit of things. This looks, how do I get into this? The forbidden brush. So it comes with the brush, ooh, and it has Clionadh Cosmetics on it, and it's a very pretty brush. Ooh, I love it. I've been eyeing their brushes too. There's so many things from them that I want to order. I just love everything that I have that I've tried from them. So definitely. And this says, exciting packaging upgrades are coming to Clionadh Cosmetics. Thank you for your understanding as we transition to our new packaging. We hope you enjoy the products. The Clionadh team. Alrighty. And then I got a little card. Ooh, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my little thing that I got. My ColourPop palette, because I'm out of room in my Clionadh palette. I need to order another one. But this is the Duochrome Shadow and Molten. Okay. Oh. Ooh. How do I do this? Ah! It's very pretty. I'm gonna try to do a little hand swatch here. Oh yeah, this is orange with a little bit of a yellow duochrome, it looks like. It's got that little bit of a shift to it. That is gorgeous. With the circular ones that I have a separate ColourPop palette for them. This is what I have already. But these ones here, I really like them. They're really pretty, but I'm gonna just go ahead. Oh yeah, Gecko's Tail's probably my favorite one of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in there real quick. And then I have room for one more. Let's see. I have, what is this? Metallic Shadow and Alpine. Alright, let's check it out. That is a beautiful minty green. It's a, oh, I just stuck my thumb in it. But it is so pretty. Oh yeah, that is very metallic. Ooh. What a vibe. Yes. Also, this look, I used Crown Jewel. I filmed this today. It's not going to be this week. It'll be next week on Sunday that the video goes up. But I think I'm going to do a 3-look video with it. And so I didn't know what to do. And I just kind of did a little butterfly moment because I'm extra. And I definitely would wear this to go get groceries. Which we might go do that later. Alright, so now my palette with the circular pans is complete. I need to get another magnetic palette for my Clionadh shades. Next up I have, what is this? It says Metallic Shadow and Narwhal. Ooh, I wonder what that'll look like. Whoa. That is a unique shade. very pretty. I don't think I have anything like this. Oh, it's like a super metallic shade, like gunmetal kind of. That's an interesting color. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna pop that in with my highlighters from them that I have, and my other ColourPop one. When I tell you my obsession with Clionadh, because this is my second palette that I have of Clionadh shades, that one still has room to be filled, but then I have this one that's pretty much full, and I'm just like, I need to get some more magnetic palettes because my Clionadh collection is just, I can't help it. I love them so much. Their shimmers are the best ever. Let me see, what do we have here? There are 3 stained glass collection shades. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm really excited to swatch those. I did not swatch any of these when I just looked at them because I was like, not enough time to do that. This is Aftershock, Current Aftershock. So this looks like a highlighter, and I do love their highlighters. I use like all 3 of mine today. This is very pretty. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow. Very iridescent, very like, there's a shift from like blue to pink and like just super iridescent. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put that in here. Alright. Now let's check out these stained glass shades because I cannot wait to do a little baby swatch. This one's beautiful. I do not have one like this, I don't believe. This is Lineage. Oh yeah, I've noticed that one and really wanted to get it. It's super pretty. It's kind of like a green, but like kind of, okay, yeah, there we go. That's like a green with like a blue shift to it. I love it. I'm gonna just put that in this one as well. I need to organize my shades here. And let's see, what is this one? Ooh. This one is Tower. Ooh, it's a pastel multichrome. I think this is one of them that I've wanted. I can't remember. I'd have to look. Oh, that shift is beautiful. Ooh, I'm gonna have to do like a grungy look with this. It's so pretty. It's right here. It's kind of, just that shift is, wow. It's like purple and pink. And last but not least, let's see. Oh, that just slid right out, okay. Queen's Banquet Hybrid Multichrome. Ooh, it's got like so many shifts to it. It's so pretty. Ah, okay. Oh my gosh, it's like pinkish purple and then like kind of gold green. What? Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and connect that there, but oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Like, that's right up my alley. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna see if that one, I'm gonna place that into my palette real quick, but I'm gonna look and see if that's a new one, because I don't think I've seen that one around. Let's check out the stained glass collection. It looks like Queen's Banquet is a new one. Oh my gosh. I can't stop looking at it because it's like purplish, reddish, orangish, green, gold, just, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, alright. Well, I am very excited about this mystery box. I hope that they do more in the future because I would definitely order again. If you would like a swatch video, let me know. I'm down to do that. I have my video that I did like a couple weeks ago. I'll try to link it up in the corner in the little where I've swatched all that I had until now. But if you want me to do like a mini swatch with these new shades and even my like circle shaped ones, then I can do that as well. But I guess that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I just really appreciate it. And also, I appreciate you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. Thank you so much. So I guess that's it for this one. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.